Guys, I am just super excited to bring you this video. Though I just posted a video just about 2 hours ago, it just talked about which exploit works best for you on the rest mode. But this video, I'm going to show you that HEN 2.1.3 has been officially released for 6.72. That's big news, guys, because HEN is the official homebrew enabler and it's no longer Mira plus HEN. It's nothing to do with Mira anymore. It's directly HEN. And I'm going to show you that in this video. Let's get straight into it. So guys, we've been seeing Leeful all throughout my previous videos where we kept doing comparisons and stuff like that, but this is the Leeful that we've been noticing and actually been doing every single time. But there is a new updated version of Leeful that's not on the same link. A clear giveaway is the background is completely blue. That's to start with. So here's the important thing. The link is right there. So the link does not have just 6.72, but it also has something called V5. That's how you know it's version 5. So that's V for version and number 5. And that's the modification in the link, guys. Make sure, I'm going to drop the link in the description anyhow, so you can check it out. So guys, if you notice here, you have the load exploit that's common, and then you have load Mira and Mira unofficial. But if you notice here, this is what I'm talking about. This is load exploit and HEN directly. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Going to click that. And there you go, it's loading exploit, done, and now loading HEN. But notice this, guys, this is going to be different from loading Mira. You get the waiting for clients, but on the second pop-up, it's no longer that weird code because it is now launching the payload, which is HEN directly. And there you go, guys, PS HEN version 2.1.3 is all loaded and all ready to go. So how is HEN different from Mira? Well, HEN is supposed to be the most stable. In fact, it is also the one that is loaded in 5.05, which is now available for 6.72. Hooray, guys. So going back to when we had Mira, when you clicked on game, you had this error, which was kind of common. But now, let's go and test this with the HEN. Okay, so with HEN activated, we're going to go down to the same settings, go to debug settings, and if you click on game, go to package installer, you see, guys, there's no more errors. It just shows you how stable it is. Obviously, I don't have my USB plugged in, so there's no packages to download. This is amazing. I'm thrilled. We're gonna go and try the rest mode out. So go straight, power, enter rest mode, and let's give it a shot to see how this one works. Okay, so here we are in rest mode. So the PS4 is completely in rest mode right now, and even the wireless charging works. I just plugged my PS4 controller in, and it's working. Okay, so let's try and power it on. There you go. It turned blue. Give it a second. And guys, it turned on perfectly fine. As you can see, there you go. And I'm going to go log right in and I'm going to go check out the debug settings to see if it's still there, to see if it's in jailbroken state. Settings all the way down, and there you go. Debug settings, perfectly fine, guys. Perfectly fine. It is working. When I go to the game menu, no errors whatsoever, and of course no USB drives, so no packages found. But guys, this is extremely stable, and I want you guys to go and try this out and let me know in the comments what you think. So guys, not that it matters too much, but I've also tested out the Mira, and it works flawless in rest mode as well. So guys, as mentioned, go ahead and try this out and let me know how it works for you personally. In the comments, let me know if this HEN is actually working for you as it's supposed to work. And I'm 100% sure it should be extremely stable for every single one that tries it out, because it is the real final deal. But is this the final deal? I'm going to keep testing this for the next 2 to 3 days before I drop my next tutorial. Oh, and about that. So what I'm going to do, guys, next I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a tutorial on how you can offline activate your PS4 so that your PS4 is activated and you can utilize these specific features like saving and backing up your trophies, your game data, etc. into an external hard drive so you can never ever lose it. So I'm going to be making a tutorial about how to use app to USB and run all your games, your lovely games, off an external hard drive, saving you that storage space. However, since you guys have been asking me for it, I'm going to go ahead and test it out, and I'm going to give you guys a really good tutorial that you guys can follow for 6.72. So yeah, guys, that bit was just from my previous video, so people who haven't seen it yet, so that was just for that. If you already heard that, I'm sorry about it. But yeah, guys, I really hope this video was helpful for you, and I really hope this HEN works out for every single person. Go ahead and try it, as I mentioned. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to quickly go ahead and get done for you. So thank you for sticking along. I really appreciate all the support. Please do drop a like, a subscribe, and hit the bell notification for my next new tutorials that's coming up. And guys, if you would like to see more gameplay and me playing it, me giving a commentary if you'd like, let me know in the comments and I would be glad to do that too. And you guys have been really supportive, and thank you all so much. And yep, more videos to come. I hope you have a great day and enjoy the weekend. Cheers, guys. Until the next video.